Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look today at Super Micro Computer stock. We are seeing this one today fall by 1%, not really too significant. And if you look at the 5-day trend here, we are still green by about 2%. Things ultimately moving in the right direction. After a month where we have seen a lot of mixed results with the stock, the question begs, what are we looking for into the next couple days? Well, over the course of this short video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what may be coming next. If it does sound like a good episode, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, it would help me out a lot. At the same time, remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this is of course not financial advice. I'd also like to let you know that there is a resource down in the description and the comment section if you are interested in learning more about the stocks that I am paying attention to at the moment. Anyway, jumping straight in, what are we looking at over here? Well, we're going to come over here to the more technical charts, and you can see in again some detail. Stock ultimately hit levels at the bottom roughly around 39.80 roughly, and we've been up ever since. Now we're coming into a more favourable channel in my opinion, where we are looking at much stronger levels of course support and resistance. In terms of the levels of support that you're looking at a very strong one, potentially around the $40 mark exactly. If we see this $44 I should say, if we see this stock hit $44, I think things are very comfortable. I think that is very realistically, if we are to move down, a level that we could see this stock find a lot of support at. If we aren't able to hold on to that one, I think you're looking slightly lower at 43.20, maybe 43.25. Those will be key levels. Just lower than that, we have historical levels such as $42, which has held up here, and many a point in the past. Ideally though, we're holding above 44, but each of those could be a likely scenario. Now in terms of upside potential, because I like to give you guys the levels that I am looking for, and you can go on to make your own opinions based on that, and of course your own research. In terms of upside potential, I think initially we are looking to break above the 45-60 range. If we can break that, then you could be looking for a push obviously onto levels such as 46.70, where we've had difficulty recently breaking above, and also difficulty in the past if you draw the line back here. A real push into the $48 range would be significant for a number of reasons. That would take us onto historical levels of resistance like $50 and beyond there. A push up to those levels at $50 would be a very significant point for this stock to move to, and I do think it is a possibility. Now the drops that we have seen over today have allowed things like the RSI to cool off ever so slightly, still quite high, but certainly into the more normal range now, as we were coming very much into and towards the overbought territory. Now things are taking that time to cool down, which is absolutely great to see, looking a lot more normal on those charts. So as things do start to level out in terms of support levels, right, we are finding that consolidation. The question begs, do you see the likelihood of this stock going higher? I think we are now in a position where we are remaining in a key channel. Again, we're staying above those critical levels of support. As long as we see this one hold up, and again ideally holding supports above 44, you could be looking at this one going much higher, but it's going to have to break first levels such as initially 45.80, then you're looking at levels such as 46 into 47. Time will tell what happens, guys. I'm very interested to watch this one, as I'm sure a lot of you will be too. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments on this in the comment section, so if you do enjoy these videos and if you do have an opinion, let me know. Before we do depart, I'd like to share with you a little bit more information about the Patreon page, if you do not mind. You guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day? I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from $14.50 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, On these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.